All right, this is Hams from the patio, and we are working on mixed numbers today, some operations with mixed numbers. So don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do it. And we're going to start off with expressing each mixed number as an improper fraction. So we're going to convert these to improper fractions by simply multiplying the denominator times the whole part and then adding the numerator. So a multiplication here, 7 times 2, and then we add that product to the numerator and we have our conversion, and we'll put that answer over the denominator. And so in this case, we have 2 times 7, which is 14, and then the 14 plus the 4 is the 18. And so we end up with a conversion of 18 over 7. On this question right here, you can multiply and do it the same way that I just did and then simplify afterwards, or you can simplify beforehand and then multiply the denominator times the whole part and add the numerator. And so let's do it both ways just to see. But I would simplify first if I was just doing this on my own. But anyway, we have 3 times 8 is 24, and then the 24 plus the 4 is 28. And see, we still have to simplify here. 28 over 8. And we can reduce these by a factor of 4. 4 goes into 28 7 times, and 4 divides into 8 2 times. All right, and that's what you would get here. And if we simplified this first by taking the 4 eighths is 1/2. And so then that's just 1/2. And we have 1 times 2 times 3 is 6, plus the 1 is the 7. So we end up with the same thing. When we do it that way. So you can just simply simplify first and then convert to a mixed number. All right, let's go to the next one here. Same process on these. 7 times 7 is 49, and then the 49 plus the 4 is 53, and we'll write that over the denominator 7. And then here we have 8 times 4 is 32, and then the 32 plus the 3 is 35 over 4. All right, and so that is converting or expressing each number as a mixed number. So converting from a mixed number to an improper fraction. All right, let's look at the other way around. Converting or express each improper fraction that we have now as a mixed number. So we're going to convert these improper fractions to a mixed number by simply dividing the numerator by the denominator. And then what's left over we'll place in the numerator. So for example, 8 divided by 3 is 2. So 3 will divide into 8 2 times with 2 left over. And so, because 3 times 2 is 6, and 8 minus 6 is 2. So that's what's left over, and we end up with a mixed number of 2 and 2/3. And then we have here 27 fourths. So 27 divided by 4 is 6, because 4 times 6 is 24. And then we have 3 left over, and so that'll be 3/4. So 6 and 3/4 on that one. Okay, and then we have 30 divided by 11. 11 divides into 32 times, and 2 times 11 is 22, so we have 30 minus 22 is 8. That's what's left over, and so 2 and 8/11. And then finally 60 sevens, so 60 divided by 7 is 8, and 8 times 7 is 56, and so therefore 56 subtracted from 60 is 4, and so then we have 8 and 4/7. Okay, and that is it. That's all there is to converting from a mixed number to a improper fraction, and also vice versa, an improper fraction to a mixed number. So short and sweet, if you can do that on these, you can do it on any one of them. The numbers don't matter. And so that's all. That's how I do it. And thank you, and I wish you much success.